Yeah.
So I'm going up top of the turn 1 booth and I'm taking some pictures.
Can I come up there?
Bud.
But let me return this first. We're here now, UMI Motorsports Park. About to start my vlog. My vlog. You know how it is. Here. Check out the competition, everybody. Hello. You know, I'm just out here vlogging. I'm here with my buddy Ryan. Let's go get an inside scoop from the driver action right here. Right here we got the wild and crazy Viper. We caught this on great footage right here.
Currently like the 3rd fastest car today.
Huh?
It's like the 3rd fastest car today.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, did that come off?
It did. Yeah. You dropped something here.
Oh.